Example 2. Simplify x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 16 multiplied by 5x squared plus 80 over 2 minus x. Factor the numerator, x plus 2x minus 2. The denominator, a sum of squares, normally cannot be factored. You have 5 times x squared plus 16 over, factor out the negative 1 to make this the same, positive x minus 2. So you get negative 1. The x squared plus 16 happens to drop out. You're left with a 5, the x plus 2, so negative 5x plus 2. Example 3. I forgot to set the timer. Example 3. You are given a fraction, you divide by another fraction, which means you multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second. Their division and their multiplication. Name these numerator 1, numerator 2, numerator 3, numerator 4. Denominator 1, denominator 2, denominator 3, denominator 4. And start factoring. Numerator 1, greatest common factor 1. Product sum. The magic numbers are 7 and 18. 7 and 18. Factor, you get 6x plus 7 times x plus 3. Now, this went pretty fast. You go ahead, you stop the tape, and you do what you have to do. Numerator 2, greatest common factor 1. Product, 4 times 56, 784. Sum, 65. Product sum, the magic numbers are 16 and 49. 16x and 49x. Factor out 7x plus 8, and you're left with 2x plus 7. Numerator 3. You have a difference of 2 squares, greatest common factor 1. That's a squared minus b squared, which is a plus b and minus b. b is 3. b squared is 9. Numerator n sub 4. Greatest common factor is 1. Product, negative 75, sum positive 22. The magic numbers are negative 3 and 25. Negative 3x minus 25x, which eventually factors as 5x minus 1 and 3x plus 5. Denominator 1, greatest common factor 1. Product 16, sum 19. Magic numbers 9 and 10, 9x plus 10x. Factor 2x plus 3, you are left with 3x plus 5. Denominator 2, greatest common factor 2. And then 10 times 3 is 30 and negative 17. Magic numbers for this quadratic here, negative 2, negative 15. So negative 2, negative 15. Pair them, factor out 5x minus 1, you're left with 2x minus 3. Denominator 3, greatest common factor 1. Product sum, 12 times 49, 588. Sum 56. Magic numbers 14 and 42. This becomes 14x plus 42x. Factor out 6x plus 7, you're left with 2x plus 3. Denominator 4, greatest common factor 1. Product 7 times 24. 7 times 4, 28. 14, 16, yeah, 168. The sum is 29. The magic numbers are 8 and 21, 8x and 21x. Factor, you get 7x plus 8, x plus 3. Put it back in the original form, and I'm surprised I get all of this in here. You can divide by 6x plus 7 here and here. You can divide by 2x plus 3 here and here. Let's see what we are left with. Oh, this is what we are left with. You can divide by x plus 3 and x plus 3. 3x plus 5, 3x plus 5. Let's see what we are left with now. This here, you can divide 7x plus 8, 7x plus 8, 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1. I do it one step at a time, otherwise it's too confusing. You're left with this. You can factor out 2x plus 7 and 2x minus 3, and you're just left with 1 over 2. All this work for 1 over 2. Isn't that wonderful?